everyone, Rachel again from Rayong. At Hạt Saengchan, I have one more very lovely pool villa for you guys for daily rent, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Or you would like to buy, invest in our property, you can be the owner also. So I show you where the location is. Our property only 50 meters can walk to the beach. So I will show you a little bit the beach. A little bit over there, okay? But I think I bring you to see our house. It's better, okay? Come to our lovely house with the pool villa here. Okay. Welcome everyone. You can park your car here around 3 cars, and also you can park in front of our villa also. The sound and the signal okay? You can say hi to me. Okay. So you can see we have big pool for you guys here, and also after the pool we have 1 bedroom with 1 bath. I will show everyone. Come to have a look with Rachel. So you can enjoy the pool with your family, and also you can take a relax here in our villa. Okay, here you can stay for 4 people and enjoy, and privacy from the main house. Okay, yeah, very nice. From here you can view the ocean. It's very nice. You can stay in our villa 12 people, but if you have more, we have extra bed for your family also. And here, welcome to inside. The sound okay? Okay, here. Welcome to our villa. We have 3 bedrooms here, and with 2 baths, an open kitchen. You can cook, you can enjoy, you can serve food and drink from the bar here, counter bar. You can cook, Thai cook, or fast food for lunchtime. Very easy. Okay. And here you can view the pool from here also. Only 10,000 a night around on weekend, just plus more 1,000, and for weekly is around 9,000 to 10,000 a night, but you can stay 12 people. Okay, then Rachel bring you to see the bedroom. Come and have a look together. Wow. And this is the bedroom inside the house. Yes. We ready for you guys. We prepare everything for you, so you just come and enjoy. And this is another bedroom. Yes. Mm-hmm. Wow, not bad, right? Cute and lovely. From here you can see, and also we have the bathroom sharing with the cool and hot water. It's nice. Mm-hmm. Okay. So you can enjoy with your friend, and I bring you more bedroom. Okay, have a look together. Here we have spare for bed. If you come more than 12 people, you just pay extra. From here you can see the pool outside. Okay. This bedroom have itself bathroom. นี่นะคะ We have the barbecue area, relaxing area for your family, your friend, party, seafood, and swimming. Wow, how nice. Wow. So guys, if you looking for a relaxing villa in Rayong area in the city, but you can get the beach life here, our villa, 12 people, you can stay, or family, or the friend groups, only like 10,000 a night. So contact me, Rachel Real Estate. I'm here. You can breathe the ocean, you can swim, and you can enjoy seafood, and also it's in Rayong city, not far from Lam Thong department store, not far Holiday Inn, and we have the market around. Everything here. Okay, just contact me, Rachel Real Estate. Bye bye.